All right, so in this upcoming episode, I'm going to be talking about how to clean the Vitamix container and the cup. This is the cup that goes to my Vitamix, and this is the container that it goes in. So whenever I get ready to work with it, I gotta put it in here like this and twist the cap. Of course, I do it differently when I already have liquid in there. I put it in there the opposite way, right? But what I'm gonna do is show you something really quick. Okay, so whenever you have a container that looks like this, see those blades in there? So those blades makes it hard for you to get in there to start, cleaning the area, okay? So if you take this rag right here and you try to put this rag down there, you really can't get in there that good, and you're gonna almost probably cut your hands too, right? So what I did is I invested in a brush like this. It's a long brush, right? Long brush, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put my soap in the container. So pour that in there. Then what I'm gonna do, sometimes I'll put a little bit of water in there. And the link to the brush I'm using can be found in the description. But make sure you got your, right here, this here. I also put a little soap on that. All right, we get ready to work this out. Then put this in here, right? And now when you do this, you can actually watch this. Check this out. Look at all that sludge in there, y'all. See that? I'm gonna get this nice and clean, and I'm not gonna even worry about cutting my hands. But this bristle is going to clean this Vitamix. Look at all that soap in there. And this is full of soap. So now I can just transfer the soap from here over to this other container. So this one here, because see how if I try to get this to go down in here, you see I can't really get in there to clean that. So again, we're gonna put our little soap in here. Now I can get water in here because water's not gonna come out of here. And then once I do that, then I can go ahead and start cleaning this. Look at that, see that? And you can scrub in there, get this nice and clean, all right? That's what I'm talking about. So so when you're cleaning it, and you gotta also scrub up against the sides, because when you start doing, when you start blending stuff, it gets all on the sides. And that's why when I start blending my stuff, I try to rinse it out as soon as I finish working with it so that I don't have all that crud and debris on the sides inside the cup. But this is what I do. Because when I get ready to start, using this again, I want to make sure it's clean. Because most of the times when you use a blender, you're going to be using it without cooking anything or heating it up to kill germs. And so you want these containers to be clean. And then you can just take the rag, of course, and wipe around the sides to get this clean on the sides where you can get to, And don't forget to wipe the outside. Just because you clean the inside doesn't mean that you don't want to clean the outside. I'm doing this as a demonstration. I normally have water in my sink. So because I'm just doing this as a demonstration, that's why I don't have my sink full of water right now. Okay? I'm just giving you some cleaning tips on how to, keep your sanity and stay clean at the same time. All right? See y'all in the next episode.